Hi, thank you for joining me. This is a little video just for you guys, for my members, and I thought we'd do a little autumn collage because it's getting near the end of autumn and I just want to use my autumn colours because, as you know, I'm absolutely loving them, and I've got out a few bits that I want to do, and I'm going to put this on that I was going to use last week that I didn't because I made them too big. By the way, if you have downloaded them, you can make them smaller. So if you can't and you want me to do them smaller and then put them up as another freebie, just let me know, okay? Because, oh, look at that. It's going on. It's just perfect. It just fits perfectly. That's so strange. I have got these bits out because I just think these are going to be awesome to use. And I'm not sure how I'm going to use them. I just got them out. I'm going to do like a little collage. But I hope you're all okay. And I just want to say thank you again for being so lovely and subscribing to my memberships. I do appreciate it. It's so lovely. And I just want to make sure that you are getting value for money, because it does worry me. I like to make sure. How about that? Look at me doing collage. I've got this, but I don't know how to put it on. See, I thought that would go, but I'm not 100%. If I put that up, can I put the fence on? Oh, is that a mess now? Oh, do you know how much I love that fence? Maybe I can put it on this page. Oh. Oh. I just love that arrangement. But the fence doesn't fit. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. If I move that up. Just doesn't look right now. It looked really nice on its own. And then I started putting things on and it doesn't look nice now. How strange is that? Maybe it just needs to go on top of there. I am practicing my collaging with you guys because I can. Because I can. How about we just move it all further up over here? Maybe we don't use all of that. Maybe some of that gets hidden behind there. Ooh, what about that one then? I think it needs to be the other way. I think you need like a long bit and a short bit, and turn that round. Do you know that? Not sure. I've got a little leaf. I'm determined to use these bits that I've got out. I don't know about the stamp. I've got this because they're like a little family, aren't they? Little family of birds. This isn't working. Unfortunately, the best laid plans. I'm going to put this down because this is like my base. And I'm trying to learn to do better collage. Because I want to. Not because anybody's like told me I'm rubbish at it, but because I don't feel like I'm not as good at it as I want to be. Oh, I think I'll put this one down as well first. What about that? And then this can then cover there. This can go here. Or can this go on top? Like they're standing on that. Do you think? And we put this sort of here. Oh, I quite like it. Can I keep it? Now I need to keep it like that. I better lose it. Right, let's do these layers. Right, Right, can you all remember where I put everything? That's the top, and then that, and then we'll put this down. And I'm only going to use my glue stick. This is my little journal, so it's fine. Oh no, that was the second thing. I need to put this down first. Getting carried away. I've actually made a collage arrangement that I really like. Oh, it's this next, and then this, wasn't it? Because then it looks like the birds are walking over it. So where does that have to be? About there. Okay, don't move. And these are also a printable. So hopefully you've got that. I don't know whether it's the actual birds, but that's the one I'm using today because the colours sort of went nicely. And I've got quite a collection of these now. Look at that. I've made a collage that I'm really happy with. I'm going to put that there. Oh my goodness. Look, on the leaf. I'm going to put the leaf on. Because I've cut it out and it's going to get ruined if I don't put it down. I'm now covered in glue. You all know how much I love being covered in glue. Should we put it here? Oh, I don't think that was part of it. I think that was a bit that should have been cut off. There we go. Oh, I do like it. Hey, look at me go. Do you think I'm getting better? I was really tempted to use this. Do you know what? I think if this page is short, I'm going to cut this bit off and I'm going to use it. I'm going to go for it. Because, you know, I've got it out. And if I put it back, it's just going to get all broken. And I just think it sort of fits my whole page theme. I don't think the stamp does, and I don't need that. And I couldn't use this, but I do like that. So I hope that you've enjoyed my little collage. And thank you so much again for being here, guys. I do appreciate all of your support. And I will see you very soon. Bye for now.